In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert a Word document to a PDF. So for starters, I'm going to click on this start button. Then I want to open Microsoft Word. So just scroll down here on the list of softwares and open Microsoft Word. In here, when this Microsoft Word opens, this is the start page for Microsoft Word. On this page, I want to open the document that I want to convert to PDF. So here I have it. I'll just open this. This document opens like that. Want to convert this document to a PDF document. So how do we do it? How do we convert this document to a PDF document? Well, it's very easy in Microsoft Word. What you do here is you click on this menu on top here, the file menu. You just click on it once, then it opens. Then it's going to take you to the backstage view. On the backstage view, this is where you can choose to do different things with this document. Here you can save it with a different name, you can print it out, or you can share it. What we want here is to export it. So when you click on the export, on the export view, you want to convert or create the PDF or XP document option. This is what you want. You want to convert this document to PDF. So you click on that, then it's going to ask you, where do you want to save this? You can choose the location of where you want your document to be saved. Here it's going to be saved on my desktop in my book folder. In my book folder, here the name, the file name, you can change the file name. I just wanted it to be saved the way it is. Then it should be as PDF type. And just click on publish. Then this is going to convert your Word document to a PDF document. When Microsoft Word converts your Word document to PDF, it's also going to open it in a web browser. Any software that you can use to open it is going to be used to open this. Now this is a PDF. Let's check in the folder if we have it. I'm going to minimize this window. I have my book folder there. I can also see my document is here. Influencing Emotions Guide. I can double click on it to open it, and this is a PDF document. So this is how you can convert Microsoft Word documents to PDF. So if you were struggling, now you know. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Microsoft Word, please leave them in the comments, and like this video and share it with other people who might want to watch a video like this one. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.